Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dolon and thank you for watching my channel. Today I have a different recipe for you. It was something that I tried 3 years ago when I went to Bangladesh in Chittagong, and it's called Kala Bhuna, and I've made it with beef, so you can do it with lamb as well. And it's a very traditional, authentic item. It's very tasty and it's a special item, so do try it at home, maybe on Eid or when you have guests around. So today I'm going to show you my ingredients and how I'll put it together. It takes about roughly 1.5 hours to cook, and you can do it with beef and lamb, so whichever way you prefer. You can have it with roti, rice, biryani, anything you prefer. So let's go. I'll show you my ingredients and let's start cooking. Thank you. So here I have 2 kilos of beef meat. I've washed them, I've drained it out, and I'll show you the pieces. I've got some pieces of bones as well, so I've got some meat pieces as well. So I've got here roughly 2 kilos. So now I'm going to start adding the ingredients, all the spices. So I've got bay leaves here, I've got cloves, so 8 to 10 cloves. I've got elachi, and I've opened them up so the fragrance comes out, so you can do the same. And then I've got the whole pepper, I've got 3-4 stars, and then I've got the barks. Ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons each, so put that in. I've got fried onions, soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil here, but I won't need all of it because the meat itself has oil. And then onions, so I'm going to put half now and half later. I've got turmeric here, so 2 teaspoons. I have salt here, so I put 2 teaspoons of salt. Chili powder according to your taste, so I'll put 2 teaspoons, it's not very hot. Coriander powder, 2 teaspoons. Jeera, I'll put just maybe 2.5. I've got some tomato sauce here, so just a bit of tomato sauce. Now that all the spices are in, I'm going to mix it for about 5 minutes. Eventually use both my hands because all the spices just really needs to get in here. So at least a mix for about a good 5 minutes. As I'm mixing, I can smell the fragrance coming out more. It smells nice. Okay, so I've done 5 minutes of mixing. Now it's ready to go on the stove. Okay, so now this is on the stove. We'll have to leave this cooking for about 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes we'll come back and check it again. As you can see, there's lots of water in the pan, so we just have to keep cooking it for at least in total 30 minutes. But just make sure that the water is gone, but check it every 5-6 minutes that it's not burning at the bottom. So we'll put this back and cook again for another 10-15 minutes. As you can see, there's no more water left, and you can see the oil has come up. It's been cooked about half an hour, so now we'll add the remaining spices. This is Radhuni mix, where you can pick up from any local shop, so just pour this in. Then I've got this item, it's called mace, and in Bengali we call it joytree, so you can just break 2 sticks and just pour that in. This is very good for the smell. And then I've got some whole jeera here. I've got garam masala mix, just a teaspoon. So I've just got 2 nutmeg and I've crushed it. And then I've got black pepper, so half of this here, a teaspoon. Now we're going to mix this for about another 10 minutes. It smells very nice. So So just another 5-6 minutes on this, and then we'll get the other ingredients ready. As you can see, this has been now 10 minutes of cooking since I last put the second lots of spices. It's turned almost black, and so far I've added no water onto this. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. So we'll need onions, so not all of it, just a little bit of onions. So just wait for the onions to become soft, and then we'll add the other ingredients. So just give that 2-3 minutes, keep stirring. This is mustard oil, so it's not normal cooking oil. This is just mustard oil. I'm just going to check if the onions are gold. Let's have a look. Maybe another minute. Garlic and ginger in slices, in thin slices. Okay, so just add that in. Give it another few minutes. Now I'll put some dry chili in. So now I'm going to add some portion of the meat from the pan. You can see the meat has gone very black now. And then I will pour all of this to the main pan. Okay, now we'll pour all of this onto here. So this can cook for another 3-4 minutes. Now just the last piece of ingredients. I've got Radhuni mixed powder again. I have mixed garam masala powder. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of that. More onion. So just mix this for about another 5-6 minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve. And look at the color now. So another 10 minutes on the stove on medium gas. So here we have it, the Kala Bhuna. Looks very delicious. So here we are, we have the Kala Bhuna here, and as you can see, it looks delicious. So do try yours at home and let me know. But don't forget to subscribe and comment. Any queries, do let me know. I'll guide you out. Thank you.